Breastfeeding is often called nature's perfect nutrition for babies, but not all mothers can breastfeed exclusively. Whether due to medical conditions, low milk supply, or lifestyle constraints, many parents turn to formula as an alternative. But what if there was a way to offer babies human breast milk without requiring a mother to produce it? Enter lab-grown breast milk, a groundbreaking innovation that could revolutionize infant nutrition. Scientists and biotech companies are developing lab-grown human milk that mimics the composition, immune benefits, and nutritional value of natural breast milk. But what exactly is lab-grown breast milk? How is it made? And is it safe for babies? Lab-grown breast milk, also known as cell-cultured human milk or bioengineered breast milk, is created by replicating the components of real breast milk in a laboratory. Unlike traditional formula, which is derived from cow's milk or plant-based proteins, lab-grown milk is designed to closely resemble human breast milk at a molecular level. Human mammary cells are cultured. Scientists take mammary gland cells from breast tissue and grow them in a controlled lab environment. Cells are stimulated to produce milk. These cells are placed in a bioreactor, where they are encouraged to lactate just like in a mother's body. Nutrient-rich growth medium. The milk is collected and enhanced with essential vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds to match the nutrition of breast milk. Purification and safety testing. The final product undergoes rigorous safety checks to ensure it is sterile, allergen-free, and safe for infant consumption. Would you trust lab-grown milk for your baby? Tell us in the comments below. Why is lab-grown breast milk a big deal? Closer to breast milk than formula, a solution for mothers who struggle with breastfeeding, a more sustainable and ethical choice, potential for global impact. Which of these benefits excites you the most? Drop a comment below. Is lab-grown breast milk safe? While it's still in development, researchers are conducting clinical trials to ensure safety. Key concerns include microbial contamination risks, nutritional consistency, immune benefits compared to natural breast milk. Would you wait for more research, or are you open to trying lab-grown milk as soon as it's available? Let us know in the comments. Final thoughts and call to action. Lab-grown breast milk has the potential to revolutionize baby feeding, offering a more natural alternative to formula, helping mothers who struggle with breastfeeding, and reducing the environmental impact of infant nutrition. What do you think? Would you consider lab-grown breast milk for your baby? Let's start a discussion in the comments. Like this video if you found it interesting. Share it with parents and caregivers. Subscribe for more updates on health, technology, and parenting innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.